Hey Otis, start the generator. Ah, what a beautiful sound of the generator kicking in on an old vintage Otis elevator with every single relays. As part of the Birthday Week series prepping for the 4th of July, an American-made vintage old Otis elevator drive machine. I see it turning. Oh, and I see the governor right there.
Yeah.
I want to get a view of that one. There's the governor right there. I believe that governor is like a safety device. Like when that fly ball governor shoots outward, going over speed, it'll set the elevator into a safety brake.
So this here is the selector. This part here is the advancer. So it'll run up, and I'll give a call.
That, my friend, is the pie plate selector you're seeing here. Watch it go down now. Here it goes. This is what attracts me the most. I gotta get a view of it. And here are the relays, which are the switch tabs that shoot in and out each time an elevator car is in motion.
When it starts back up, these are all going to come in. Tick, 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 tick.
Now here's an old Dover elevator machine. Relays are similar to the Otis, but the drive motor is different. Not sure about the generator, but they sound alike. Let's go! Well, that is going to do it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these machines in action, as these are American-made old pieces of beauties that we have to include as part of the Birthday Week series, honoring for America's 250th birthday that's coming up. So anyways, once the generator winds down completely, that is going to be it for this video.